while price reduction motivated seller. Bring all offers. Tasteful condo in Naples within the prestigious Vineyards community. The sensibly designed first-floor unit has an open floor plan which offers a main living area that opens to a huge screen lanai west, a private incredible golf course view. The condo has brand new stainless kitchen appliances, granite countertops, west wall light recessed lighting, laminate wood flooring in the main living areas and new carpet in the bedrooms. Each bedroom has large closets, west end suite bathrooms, newer HVAC, new washer dryer and large storage closet add to this stunning home. Tuscany has its own pool, spa and clubhouse which are just a short stroll away. Vineyards offers plenty of biking walking paths. The country club has 2 optional golf memberships for their 2 championship golf courses, 12 true tennis courts to fitness center. The community fees include the following maintenance items which makes this condo virtually carefree: cable including HBO, insurance, internet Wi-Fi access, irrigation water, lawn land maintenance, manager, pest control, exterior, rec facilities, reserve, street maintenance, trash removal and unlimited water and sewer usage.